Hola amores, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Madeline. I also go by the name as Maddie on Instagram, so make sure you go follow here. Also, talking about following, make sure you guys have subscribed to my channel. You gave it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it or you learned something from it. And make sure that you hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video so that you guys could be able to come by and watch it. I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. I am going to show you my step-by-step on what I do for my skin to be radiant, glowy, healthy, moisturized, nourished, all of that. Because of the fact that I do have a daughter, I make my routine extremely minimal. I make sure that I use products that are going to provide those nutrients, provide that nourishing, hydrating feeling that I'm looking for, because my skin is combination. So I have oily T-zone and a very dry outer area on my face. So I try and make sure to use products that are going to keep that hydration going and protect my skin and nourish it all throughout my day. Without further ado, how about we just get started with this video? To get started, I want to make sure that my hands are extremely clean. Any little dirty hands will make blemishes to your face, so make sure that you guys have rinsed. Also, don't forget to hydrate. I like to drink a cup of water right in the morning, hit my body with that nice nourishing water, and make sure that my organs start running nicely and nice and smooth, and that helps my skin also. So make sure you hydrate. I cannot say that enough, because that will help you with like your beautiful skin. Next, I'm going to go in with a cleanser. The cleanser at the moment that I'm using is by Glow Recipe. This is a Blueberry Bounce, a gentle cleanser. The blueberries in this product are amazing because of the fact that they have antioxidants that prevent premature aging, which we all love that. Not only that, it calms my inflammation if I have any that day, and it also minimizes the discoloration in my skin, which is pretty cool because it has so many benefits to it, which I love to use it for that reason. So I just take a dime size amount onto my hands, I lather it into my fingertips, and then I apply it to my skin for about a minute. So let's move on. And just make sure that you're using lukewarm water. You don't want to use hot water because the hot water will definitely dry out your skin, and it's not good for your skin at all. Now that my skin is still damp and it still has the water running on my skin, I'm going to move on with an exfoliant. You don't have to use this every single day, but this product, you can use it every single day. I only do it when I feel like I have some sort of like dry patches on my skin. So what I'm going to be using is the ST.IVES Even and Bright Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Scrub. This stuff, I have been using this probably for 4 or 5 years now. A lot of people are like, oh my god, you ST.IVES? Yes, I use ST.IVES. It's the only product that currently at the moment I love, and I know that it's not going to break me out and it's not going to damage my skin. This is loaded with vitamin C in it, and that is something that I love because it brightens your skin. I'm going to take another dime size amount of this product on the fingertips, and then we're going to lather that into our face and then rinse it off. Has a very medium scrub. It's not too harsh on your skin, and it's not like extremely drying either, because it does hydrate my skin also. Alright, so now that my skin is exfoliated and it feels so soft and so smooth, I'm going to rehydrate my dehydrated skin, because since I took out all the dead skin cells, it needs hydration. I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu facial spray, and this is the aloe herbs and rose water. This stuff is great to add hydration back to your skin, which I love. It's also good for all skin types, which that's like huge also for me. And not only that, it is non-irritating, which I love because of the fact that I just exfoliated my skin. I want to make sure that it doesn't get irritated. So I'm going to do a quick spray to my skin. After I have applied my facial spray, I'm going to attack these dark under eye circles. These under eye circles are huge on me. I've had them for my whole entire life. So what I try and do is just minimize them, and if not, treat them. I know right now at the moment, nothing really works for me, so I'm still in the market for an under eye serum that will brighten them up. So that being said, I go in with these by Nature from New Zealand, these soothing eye mask with rosehip oil. If you guys don't know about rosehip oil is amazing for your skin as it soothes and smooths your skin. It also helps with wrinkles and it also helps with hydration. So it adds tons of moisture to your skin from all the nutrients that it has in it. This also does have manuka honey, which is great for you, and hyaluronic acid, which retains moisture, so it's great for your skin also. These patches right here, I get them at TJ Maxx. The prices are here for $4.99, and you get 5 of them, which is great. And not only that, I love what it does to my skin, so any kind of hydration, nourishing, smoothing, firming, whatever it is, I love to apply to my skin. So why not apply it to my under eye circles when them bad boys look terrible? So I'm going to take these little strips, and they're extremely packed with product, and I'm just going to apply them right underneath, and then any excess I'll run it down my face. This does have collagen in it, which is great to also soothe and moisturize the skin. Now I just let this sit on my skin for 5 minutes. You guys are like, wow, you have 5 minutes in your skincare routine in the morning? Sometimes, depending if Mia is sleeping. Right now at the moment Mia is not sleeping, so what I do is I apply them to my skin, let them sit for a minute, and then whatever is left I rub it around my face to act like a serum. So give this 1 minuto. Now that the minute is over, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these crazy patches. And whatever is left, I'm going to take my nice clean hands and rub it into my skin. Down my neck, why not, right? Okay, talking about serums, I'm going to go in with my Rose Hip Serum. The one I use is by Advanced Clinics. This stuff I swear by and I recommend it to everybody. I pick mine up at TJ Maxx. Sometimes I pick it up off the website, and I only take a couple of drops. So I take probably like 4 or 5 drops, maybe like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I apply it to the palms of my hands. The way I apply this is by pressing really nicely to my skin, adding the heat to my skin from my hands, and then I press it in, and I press it down my neck and onto my chest. No slips there. The way I like to apply this to my skin is I like to give myself like a light massage to wake my skin up. So circular motions and lots of pulling upwards. This is the liquid gold to my skin, which I love and I swear by. I also love the hyaluronic acid. I use that at night. So reminder, facial routine, a pamper routine, or if not, my nighttime skincare routine, please leave me a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to prepare a video for you guys. The serum is going to be definitely absorbed into my skin, so with the moisturizer on top, it's going to seal that serum. Next, I'm going in with a moisturizer. So I'm going to go in with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is for normal to dry skin. I love this because it also has the hyaluronic acid in it, which I swear by because that retains moisture, which is what I ask for and what I want. Cool thing about this, it is lightweight, it is oil-free, fragrance-free, and it's hyperallergenic, which I love because those that break out easily, this is great for you. Small amount, I apply it onto my skin. And then something I like to mix into my skin while I'm here is this Elta MD Skincare. This is UV Pure Broad Spectrum SPF 47. It's chemical free with active ingredients, it's transparent, and it's water resistant for 80 minutes. This is for your face and your body. I use a very small amount of this, but I do apply it all over my face, and I make sure that I apply it in the areas that I know I'm going to get like extreme sun exposure, which is everywhere. And make sure you bring that down your neck and into your chest. And this feels amazing. Extra hydration boost to your skin, trust me. Alright, so for this last and final step, I go ahead with some coconut oil to my lips, and then I apply some Mario Badescu facial mist so I can finish my morning routine. this is my morning routine. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go on with my day, enjoy my beautiful daughter. I just wanted to say muchas gracias to everybody who has followed me, who has subscribed to my channel, who has been supporting me, also for participating in my polls. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Insta, hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a brand new video, and I will see you all in my next one. Muchos besos y abrazos. Se me cuidan todos.